Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP in just 5 minutes. With this tool, you can create a coloring book with your favorite character across every single page. Generate 30 coloring pages with just one click, and even color the book yourself. Plus, there's a function to create a cover that meets Amazon KDP standards, which will save you a ton of time and effort. You won't be spending days or weeks creating coloring books anymore. Let's get started. The tool is called Color Book Gem in the Page Creator section. You can generate coloring pages by creating characters and setting them within a specific theme that you want. You can also define the drawing style for both your characters and your coloring pages. Here, I'm going to start creating a new style by uploading an image and giving it a name. And just like that, you have your new style. Now, let's create a character and see how it works with this new style. For example, I select the style we just created, and I generate a character called Cute Girl. The system automatically creates a character in the style I chose. Isn't that incredible? You can also select the Upload Image function to upload one of your existing characters. That was just a quick example. Now I'm going to describe the entire process of how Color Book Gem works. My idea is to create a Christmas-themed coloring book, so the first step I'll need to do is create the characters. I'm going to create a simple snowman character. And next, a baby Santa character, to make it a little cuter. Okay, we now have 2 characters, and you can add more if you'd like. Now, under Theme or Description, I'm going to enter Christmas is Coming. This section is for the number of scenes you want to create, up to 30 scenes maximum. Select your desired aspect ratio. For this example, I'll generate 6 scenes and a 1:1 ratio to save time. You'll be able to create 100 images per day with a free Google account, because they run on the powerful Nano Banana model. Now you can see our characters appearing in the scenes in the most natural way. Isn't that amazing? You don't have to spend a ton of time thinking about scenarios. Typing out prompts one image at a time now, everything is fully automated. This tool is also great because you won't need to use any other AI tool, like ChatGPT or Gemini, to generate long, messy prompt lists and create individual images. The image editing function is also available after creation. If you want to generate more images, you can simply select the quantity and press the button. The new scenes will be created without losing the existing ones. The download function allows you to download all the images in a single zip file. Very easy and convenient. Next up is the function to color your images. You simply upload the image you want to color, hit the button, and the AI will automatically color it for you. This feature helps you create preview images or include them in your coloring book as examples for users to follow. You can also edit the colors if you want to, and then download the image to use however you like. Awesome! I'll demo one more image so you can really see the power of the tool. Just one click, and you've got a fantastic, colorful picture. One final amazing function is creating the cover image. This function allows you to create book covers that meet Amazon KDP standards, upload your image, and customize parameters like the trim size and page count to meet the exact specifications of Amazon KDP afterward. Download them as a PDF or PNG to use, depending on your needs. Now, in just 5 to 10 minutes, you have everything you need to publish your book, including the cover and the coloring pages. This saves you so much time and effort, allowing you to publish more books and earn more money from Amazon KDP. I wish you success.